document? Do you have that document?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just open the document and see if you are done with question number 1 to 4. Okay. Open the document and check if you are done with question number 1 to 4. In the HTML.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you share the one more time document? Because
Okay.
I'm at the last 2 labs.
Oh, okay. No problem. Yes, I'll share. Okay. I'll also share one more document together itself. That is only for performing today. Like I said, that you will be working on the website, right? Anybody who has not entered the details in the website, please enter it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody left for entering the details in that Excel sheet?
Yes, ma'am. Right. Because of my health is not right.
Okay.
That's
So make sure you
I did
enter
that in the last
it.
2.
Okay, no problem. Okay, but make sure that you enter it. Okay, see, third was the last date. No, what is the last date mentioned actually?
I don't remember.
Ma'am,
Okay.
3rd February.
Third, no, yes, third is the last.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now see, now what will happen is if you are this is duplicated, no, if your project is duplicated, no, then automatically you will not be assigned any project. Okay, so before that is done, please make sure that you do that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Can I contact you after the lecture? Regarding
Yes.
this?
Yes. I have another. I have the 4th lecture, but after 12:15 I'm free. You can call me, Peter. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Registration form and all is there only. Okay, fine. See, I'll share the document with you if you don't have in the calendar itself. I'm sharing now only. The registration form which is there, that is what we have to work on it today. Right? Is it okay? As I haven't created this or what, I'm not able to. I'm not able to share that here. Please wait, everybody. The people who already have the document, right? Some of you already have the document, no? Am I right? Am I correct? You already have the document, right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so you have to work on the registration form today. Who all is not having the document? Yes, you already have it. Yes, good. Who all is not having the document? Raise your hand. Okay, Devang is not having the document and Mihir Shubham, all right. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll email you out. I am unable to enter it in this. I don't know why. I'll email it out, okay? Devang Shubham. Mihir Mahek and okay, fine. Shruti Ketani, right? Okay, I'm emailing you the document. That is the registration is what you have to work, today. You have to work on that today. Okay, yes. Yes, the document is emailed, all right? If you don't have the email, I'll share my screen with you, okay? No problem. I'll present my screen. Yes. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is the form that we have to work on today, okay? Registration form, mentioning the text field, labels, then radio button, drop down list, text box, text area, big text area, right? Again, text, the simple one line text fields, check boxes, submit and reset button. Okay. So how do you plan to start this? How do you plan to start this? What about number 5? Okay, wait, let me check. Number 5th question. Okay, create your CV using HTML and CSS. Okay, in your CV, that also you can do. See, Ravi, what we can do is, in your CV, you can make one menu item in the bar or anywhere, such as, contact me, all right? In contact us form or contact me form, you can even use these fields. No, the point for this exercise is you should be able to use these fields. That's all that matters. Okay. In contact us form also you can keep the same fields. No. So if you are Ravi, are you getting this? Yes. Okay. So if you are working on your CV, if you're working on question number 5, you're going to work on question number 6 automatically. So it doesn't matter which you start first. Okay. It doesn't matter at all. Okay. If you want to start with question number 5, again, same thing, fine with that. If you want to start with question number 6, yes, nothing wrong in it. Okay. No problem. Yes. Okay. So how do you plan to start? Can you tell me? How are you planning to start this? Anybody can tell me? Any question number 5 or 6? Starting with simple text fields in HTML, right? You know how to add. You have to speak to me. See, that is one thing. You have to speak to me. How are you planning to start this? Creating HTML tags in the file? Hello, people.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know what is used as input type for text box and all, right?
Yes.
You know that? Okay,
Yeah,
Okay, fine. Then it is okay. Okay. Anybody who is not, oh, give me a second. It's resolved, sir. Thank you again. Thank you for calling. Yeah. No, it's resolved. Thank you so much. Okay. Fine. Anybody not knowing how to start, anybody having even the smallest, simplest question, talk to me, okay?
मैम पीछे जो कलर यूज किया वो उसमें ग्रेडियंट वाला कुछ था ना करो
Gradient option was there. Even you can download simple images and set in the background if you want. That is also fine.
ओके
Okay. Yes. This is the question. Let me present the question to you. Okay. Yes. This limitation, this maximum 50 characters allowed, this limitation you can add using HTML or what? Can you tell me?
JavaScript
JavaScript, right? Yes, very good. Okay. So you can design the form and then we'll add the, validations over here, right?
yes
Are you all working on this question or 5th question? Anything is fine. Which question you are working with? Hello? Okay. 5th only. Okay, good. Yes. 5th. Okay, good. Yes. 5th. Okay, no problem. But in that CV, you have to mention a contact us form, okay? Contact you form, contact me form, all right, in your CV. And there you enter this date and all. Even though it is not mandatory, but still I am insisting that you add all this drop down and all those controls. Anybody facing any issue, talk to me, all right? Unmute yourself and talk to me, okay? Oh, is top to bottom? No. Yes. Here you can use top is this. No. Okay. Oh, you can use top to bottom here for, starting and then stopping, right? Who asked that question? Gradient wala question, who asked?
me
Okay. Kriplani, see, top to bottom, no? You know that, right, Kriplani? Okay, good. Then you can use it. Yes. Starting initial and then, ending source and destination colors. I'll take. Somebody has some question. Can you help in? Okay, wait. Let me read. In describing the CV. Okay, see, what do you usually have in CV, Ravi? Initially, you will explain your about what are your what do you want to do? Okay, what do you want to? Why the company should hire you? That is the first thing. That I am enthusiastic. I'll be great for this profile, this portfolio, and all. That comes initially. All right, in your resume. Uh, you can even add your picture over there. All right. So initially, your resume should have with the title of the resume like Ravi Soni. Then what is he? Is he a professor of mathematics? Is he a professor of computer science? Okay, like that. That is the first thing in your resume. Okay. Then along with that, you can even mention your photograph. On the left, right hand side. That okay, Ravi Soni is looking like this. Below the photograph or somewhere, there is also a possibility to enter your personal details at the end of the resume. That is one more thing. People sometimes they keep their personal details below the photograph also. Personal information will contain the date of birth, the languages that you know, right? Are you married or not? Your email address, your contact number, everything in the personal information. Okay, that is another section. One more section you need to add is your experience initially, work experience. Okay, so it always starts from the descending order, right? So like if you have worked for like since 10 years, since 2010, you are working as this, then before 2010, 2010, what did you do? In which organization that you worked for, and what is the post that you have to mention in your work experience, right? Then comes your education. Education, you have to mention you have done your PhD from this university, you have done your master's from this university in descending order. Okay. Okay. What other certifications you have done will come in the certifications column. Okay. Then comes your what are your achievements, right? Certification is a different thing. Achievement is a different thing. Okay. Have you guided different projects, right? Have you organized any event, any technical events? Have you organized any coding contests? Anything that you have done? That all will come in that achievements and all. All right. Then certifications that you might have done. That is on one whole section for that. This is how you can proceed, right? Makes sense? Does this make sense?
Yes.
Yes. Also, you can add a separate column for skills, like what technical skills do you possess? Okay, like okay, you are good with Java programming. Okay, you have worked with Android programming. You know what is the different frameworks like Spring, Hibernate. You know Laravel. Okay, a good advantage to your profile, right? You know iOS development. Those are the skills that you know. Android development, these are the skills, right? What other thing you can add, Ravi, is see in your past organizations, what different roles you have handled, what responsibilities you have handled in your past organization. Okay, like this is a responsibility. See, I'll give you an example: blended learning, right? Integrating this, this smart boards in teaching, right? That is it's a role, it's a responsibility that you're performing in the organization. Okay, like or maybe like you are incorporating. Different learning methods in an organization, what different things that you are handling, what portfolios you are handling, its roles and responsibilities, right? That then what research you have done, papers that you have published, all these will come in that.
Ma'am?
Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am, I have created one CV.
Okay.
For demo. Can you please check it?
Yes, don't, you just share it. Don't worry, yes, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me just.
Is it visible? me to you?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, yes. Okay. Okay. It's a website that you have, the page that you have created, Bacha, in HTML.
Yes.
Oh, good. Oh, good, good. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Can you share this? Can you share this with like here? The thing is that okay, now I can see it. It is like I'm not able to view it properly. All I can see is hazy things. I don't know, some internet issue or what. I cannot see it. Okay, now I can see your name properly. See, about me, I can see properly. Okay, see, about me, I was talking about initially. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, all these are links, beta. All these are links below that you have mentioned.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. These are, so when you, okay, contact us. Okay, okay, contact information. Fine, fine. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, hobbies. Okay, good. Oh, good. You have mentioned the scroll bar also. Good there. Facts. Okay, good. Uh-huh. Is this in HTML or how have you made this in
HTML, ma'am. Just
HTML
using
only?
HTML only.
Okay, good, good. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Then what you can do now is you can just make a form, like contact me form or something, right? Or you want to modify this? What do you want to do?
I want to modify because I have not created today, but I
Okay,
have created in past.
long back. Okay, fine, no problem. Yes, 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 you can go ahead. But it is good. Facts about yourself. That is good. See, awards and achievements that you have. Oh, very good. See, nice. See, this are good topics for your resume. And see, she has mentioned an image before that. Before mentioning the topic, she is mentioning some image. That is also a good habit. Yes. Professional skills. Yes, good, good. Very good, Sakshi. Yes. You can, decorate it in a better way, right?
Yeah.
Now you know. Yes. Now you know CSS, you can try, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Also, in your website, you can try. See, it's not. How shall I put this in a better form? It is not mandatory to create your own template when you are designing a website. Okay, if you know how to use templates in your project, if you want to make it, more flexible, more scalable, you can even try using the predefined templates also. It is also fine. Okay, but you cannot just copy paste the template. You need to modify it in a certain way. That is the gist. Okay, just make yourselves adaptable to C++. Good, Sakshi.
Ma'am, I have a question that
Yes.
when we will submit it to you, we have to submit our code or we have to submit only this?
See, if you share the code with us, we'll be able to see the HTML file also. No, we can run it and we can see the output, right? So what you need to do is zip up all the files and then share. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Yes, yes. Okay. Anurag is present. Mihir?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Mihir, what are you are working on? Can you tell me? What are you doing now?
मैम मैं थर्ड प्रैक्टिकल कर रहा हूँ अभी
Okay,
लास्ट लैब में
okay.
एब्सेंट था ना इसलिए
Okay, no problem. Yes, no problem. You are facing any queries, you talk to me, okay? Yes. Maheshwari, what are you working on? Maheshwari is not there. Sanskar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you working on right now?
Ma'am, CV.
Okay, working on that question only. Okay, okay, good, good. Any queries that you are facing?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good, good. Savan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which question you are doing right now?
Fourth, ma'am.
Okay, fourth you are doing. Okay, okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will move to fifth. Okay, fourth is easy, very easy. Naseeb Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you doing?
I am doing the fourth one now.
Fourth one. Okay, okay, fine. You were not there in the last lab also, Naseeb. Yes, yes. Are you getting what we are doing in the assignment?
Yes, yes. I am doing from the lecture you have uploaded in the Marwadi University.
Okay, okay. The last lectures, this workshop lectures, have you attended, beta?
Which one, ma'am?
Workshop, that HTML and CSS workshop that you have attended or not?
Workshop? No, no.
You were not there then? Oh, you are not there for no, not a single day?
No, ma'am. I am there for 3 days.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay, fine. Krunal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which question you are working, beta?
Fourth one, ma'am. थोड़ा बाकी है.
Fourth one. Okay, okay, fine, fine. No problem. Mukund?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
What you
question
yes.
form.
HTML form you are making. Okay, okay, okay. Good.
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, okay. You know that, right? You know how to add this drop down list and all that, you know, right? Options. That you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good, good. Yes, yes. Madhvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you doing now?
Fifth.
Fifth question. You are making CV. Okay, good, good. Any queries that you are facing in that? Any
No,
suggestions
ma'am.
that you
No.
ask? Okay. Ragani.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing practical 4.
Question number 4. Okay, okay,
Yes.
fine. Yes. Shruti is working on CV.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Drashti?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am fourth question.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Drashti, which question you are working on?
CV.
CV only. Okay, fine.
Almost done, ma'am.
What is done, beta?
Almost done. Matlab,
Oh,
hone
okay.
wala.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Very good. Then you show it to me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Harsh. Harsh Moda. See, he fell asleep. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahek.
Ma'am, for topic.
Yes, which question you are working on?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Your voice is breaking. I don't know if it's me or you. Santosh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which question you are doing now?
Third.
Third question. Okay, fine. No problem. Third is, oh, table. Okay, okay, fine. Very easy. This image is download, okay? You can get the images, right? On internet. Yes. Ravi Soni working on CV. Nirali is not there. Anjali. Anjali is not there. Dhara. Ruvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which question you are doing?
वो वेदर वाला.
Vedarwala. Okay, question number 3. Okay.
Question number.
Yes, no problem. Yes. Vishwa is constantly remaining absent in this. See, Jeet is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jeet, તું કાલે આવવાનો હતો ને કોલેજે, કેમ નથી આવ્યો કાલે?
એ વન ટુ લખાઈ દઉં.
એટલે નથી આવવાનો, તું આજે આવીશ મળવા માટે?
હા
કઈ
હા
વાંધો નહીં. હા, આજે આવીશ મળવા?
હા વિચારું છું એ જો.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we create our resume in like as menu format?
Many format means I didn't understand.
Menu format. Like if we can in one side, I will provide one link that if you want to create my education detail, you want to see my education detail, then you have to click on education.
Oh,
like-
yes, like navigation bar, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. See, you can create you can do it in HTML or CSS also, right? You can create the navigation bar. Those are nothing but this unordered list only. Sakshi, navigation bars. Okay, Jeet, no problem. Yes, okay, no problem, Jeet. See, Sakshi, navigation bars are just the unordered list. You know UL and OL, right? Unordered list, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Just give some style to it, and that UL individual, list item you can mention, like, you said, no, this like education. Okay, one tab will be education, one menu item, one list item will be like contact me, about me, like that you can do. Of course you can do.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, no problem. If, see, one more thing, Sakshi, I mentioned here. If in unordered list also, you will see those dots and squares that you can put, right? List, you can, that list style, the style of before that name, you can see bullets, right? You know that bullet. If you want to remove that, I don't exactly remember the name, but there is one tag in CSS which you can mention that bullet is none. I think it is list or item style or something. There are lots of actually attributes. Just give me 1 second. I think it is, list style only, I guess. Yes, see, list style type, okay. This attribute can if you put it to none, if you set this attribute to none, then you will be not seeing that bullets in front of it, because in navigation bar, you don't want to have that bullets, right? Then you can remove it from this item, okay? List style type, okay? In CSS, you can add that, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay, yes, you can continue, you can add that, of course. Jeet, very good. You have written question 1 and 2, very good. Kriplani, which question you are working on?
4th.
4th, okay. Vedarwala.
नहीं, उसके बाद का
Okay, yes, table, yes. Nivea is remaining absent so many times. She is not. Anybody has any idea? Okay, no problem. Devang?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are there. Okay. Which question you are working on, beta?
मैम फोर्थ ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट है, थोड़ा सा बाकी है। और मैम एक क्वेश्चन था, मैं एक लैब में शायद एब्सेंट था, उस थर्ड में क्या करना है, मतलब
Third question.
वेदर वाला शायद।
Weather, just a table. See, it is very easy. Just create a table, right? And put the images here, and you can put the title of that image here above it. Okay. This images, you can get it from, websites, right?
Okay.
Yes, like that. It's just, table only, 2 rows and 3 columns, just to make you practice that table tag.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
6 question, how to you are mentioning address, how to create this type of box input text, which tag we have to use in address? Address.
This one, address. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
address is itself. Address is a tag.
Okay.
Yes, address is a tag actually.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the date of birth, we have to put the drop down for all the dates. Drop down list.
Oh, okay, okay. This you are telling. Okay, okay, okay. See, the thing is, this you cannot do it without JavaScript, right? You know this. This JavaScript, you know, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
date of birth, if you want to put a calendar, you know, in this, you cannot, you know, do it without JavaScript, because otherwise, what you will do is you need to mention every single day, this no, for month, for year, every single thing no, right? Which is not possible manually, right? How will you put, if you select a year, according to that, a particular month, that is not possible without JavaScript. Are you getting what I'm telling? Because
Yes,
in
ma'am.
2020 months, the days and the dates will vary accordingly. No, according to that date, the day will vary, right? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. It is not possible unless and until you know add some predefined JavaScript code in that. Until and unless it is not possible. But if you want to mention date of birth in this way, it will be difficult for you. You can put a text field here. That is fine, and then validate it accordingly. Like you should have
Basically, date tag, date type.
Yes.
Input.
Yeah.
When we are mentioning input type, just mention the date. We can
Input
easily.
type. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Input type as date. That is what he is telling. But this is very difficult. This drop down will be difficult in this case. Now this drop down can work easily in other cases. Somebody is mentioning something. Input type date. Okay. Yes. This will be a text field only again, where you can put date with slashes, right, Shubham? Shubham. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Pachani.
Yes, ma'am.
Will this show you the calendar, complete calendar? This one?
Yes, ma'am. We
Oh,
can
very
enter the date, and as well as this inside we can show the calendar. We can select the date there.
We can see the whole calendar. Without JS, it is possible. Without JS, it is doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, good. Okay, then it is good. Okay. Yes. But drop down not possible, huh? Only this is possible then.
Yes. In email, we can also use input type email.
Email is there, yes. Email is there. It will automatically, not allow you to shift to the next that if it is not valid. And at the rate and dot, and that should be there.
Yes, first of all, check the at the rate and dot.
Input type password is also there, no? For
Yes,
yes.
Or some kind of check,
Yes.
some kind of symbol.
Yes. Okay. Sakshi, done. Harsh is back now. Harsh. Harsh is there or what? Hello, Harsh. If you know this, if you're comfortable with using some backend programming language like PHP and all, if you know, otherwise you will be doing this in next semester. Of course, you will have a subject for web technologies in next semester where you will integrate this form with your some database integration and all in PHP. in MySQL. But if you know this backend query and all, then you try it. Huh? If you know, then you try.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, you told us that if we know the programming of PHP, then we can use, right? So we
Yes.
can use in our website also, like data with the use of database and so on.
Oh yes, see the main point of this is you can create your own website, right? Now if you are ready to host, then you are always welcome, right? You can go to the hosting providers like BigRock or GoDaddy or somewhere. You can buy the hosting for a month or 2 months or something where submission is there, or if you want to buy for whole year, you can even buy. Then you can add database over there. Once you buy the hosting, you will be able to get that, right? First domain and then hosting, right? Once you buy that, you can host it online, of course. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, no problem. If you know these things, then of course you can host it. Yes, no problem in that. Some of the I don't know if it is possible or not, but some of the website providers are also giving you free access for 1 month or that. That also you can try for hosting. They'll give you some Linux, cPanel, and you need to work on that.
Ma'am, 000 web host is also give free hosting.
000 web host. Yes, I heard of that.
Yes.
It's free only, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We have
Yes.
to just create one account and he gives the free spaces for host our website.
Yes, yes. For lifetime it is free, right, Shubham? I heard that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Anybody facing any issues, they can talk to me, okay? Fifth done, very good. Yes, can you show me, Rusty?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Your screen is presenting right now.
Oh, okay, wait. Okay, yes, yes. Yes, I can. Oh, wow. See, objective. I was looking the word objective initially when I was talking to Ravi. I didn't get this word objective. Okay, yes. You have used different fonts also. So
Yes, ma'am.
Did you add a font in here? How did you add a font?
In CSS Google Fonts.
Google fonts only. Yes, yes. Good.
And icons in Font Awesomes.
Yes,
Location, Gmail, Twitter, call.
Yes, 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 yes. All these icons are there, online itself, right? You just have downloaded them, or did you get the that link directly? How did you
Link.
link directly? Okay, okay, yes, yes. Good. Yes, very good. Very nice. Yes, yes. You have added a new separate file.
Yes.
Wow. Good, good. Yes, very nice. Very good. Very good. Now, what you can do is you can add, if you want, you can add a menu bar on the top or something where you can, user can easily browse through the whole website, right? The whole page.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That also you can do. Yes, yes. Good, good. Yes, anybody facing any issues, any queries, you can ask me. Anybody having any questions? You can ask me. Huh? Answer. No problem. Yes, yes. Anybody facing any issues? Any queries, any questions? From next week onwards, that is from 8th onwards, we are going to work on that website that you have mentioned in the Google sheet, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you're going to work on that. Okay, so if you haven't entered your details, you need to do one thing. First, check what others have entered. Okay, don't duplicate the data. And so the one, it is like if like first come first of basis. If somebody is entered first, no, then they'll be considered as that project only. Others will be removed. So make sure you double check, and then you enter the details. Who all have not mentioned, no, please enter it by the day and today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to complete this at home?
Which one, beta?
Today's work.
Today's work. Oh, no. See, from next slot onwards, we are going to work on your website, okay, that you want to create. Now, this, if you have time at work, at home, you can do. Otherwise, you can even do it in class also. Okay, it is not mandatory to finish at home. Whenever you are free, whenever you get time, you can do that. But side by side, you can work. You can finish this first and then you can start that. Or you can start that, and if you feel bored, you can switch over to this. Like that, you can do. Okay.
Ma'am,
In
we can
class,
use other software like XD, Adobe XD.
yes, you can use. If you know, you can use anything you want to use. See, some people in other classes, they also know how to integrate database and all. So I've allowed them. Yes, you can explore your own creativity. It is your project. Anyhow, it is your website. Okay. You can use anything that you want. No limitations in that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, no problem.
मैम
Yes, yes.
मैम मुझे कुछ प्रोजेक्ट के लिए पूछना था, आप कब फ्री होंगे?
I am free only now. You can tell me. Yeah.
वो ह- ह- ह-
Yes, is me or his voice is breaking? I don't know. Hello. Last date for submitting. Okay, Ravi, there is no such last date. See, you are going to, by the end of the semester, the goal is by the end of the semester, you have a full-fledged developed website in your hand. That is the goal, okay? There is no last date. If you finish early, then I'll give you some more work. I'm not asking you, I'm not, warning you or something, but still I'm telling the more you do, the more you will learn, right? That is the gist over here. That's all. That is the gist. But by the end of this semester, you should have your own website. That is the goal. Okay. So in next year, in next semester, when you will proceed with other technologies, you will add those in that website only, and then you can have a furnished product by the end of that semester also. Like that. Okay. 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 Time is up. Okay. Yes. 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 See, Ravi. The thing is that every day you need to work some on your website or on this assignment. That is all. Lecture is over. Yes. 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 You can lead the meeting, of course.
मैम मेरी अटेंडेंस नहीं हुई अभी तक.
Okay. Okay. Well, let me check. Okay. You are in B only, Pal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 I marked you present. Okay.
ठीक है.
Yes. Yes. You can leave the session. No problem.
हेलो मैम.
Yes. Yes.
प्रेजेंट. वो पता नहीं स्विच ऑफ हो
No
गया.
problem. No problem. Yes. Yes. No problem. Yes. You are saying something.
मैम वो प्रोजेक्ट को मतलब आइडिया कुछ आ रहा नहीं रहा था कि कैसे और कब कौन सा कर सकते हैं कि ऐसे
Okay.
उसलिए
Okay.
interest है.
Okay. I got your question. See, what you need to do is, Devan, what is the thing that you are passionate about? What do you love the most? Cars, bikes, mobile phones, anything. What do you love the most?
Phones.
Phones, right? So create a website that has product information of all the phones, different ideas I'm giving. See, product information of different phones. Okay, like you create a separate menu item for iPhones, separate menu item for Android phones, right? There is one idea like this. Okay, another idea. In that idea, in the first idea, you need to mention what the image of the phone, the feature specifications, everything, right? That is one thing. Okay, then you can even add customer reviews if you want. That is one thing. Another idea I'm giving you is create a Flipkart. It is selling different phones, right? Then you
Yes.
create a website like that, But except the buy now button, if you click no, it will not, buy that product for you. It will just show you that, okay, the product has been added to your cart and you have to pay this much for this. Okay, that's it. But now for paying and all, that it is nothing but the payment API integration and all, that you can do it in the next semester. The advanced thing, including the database and all, that you can handle it in the next semester. But this semester only, the layout, the website is ready. So customers can, see the phone and they can add to cart. Like that, okay? That you can do now. One more idea is that, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem, yes. Anybody having any questions, they can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave the session, no problem. But then mention the detail, Devang, soon. Otherwise, if somebody will take the project, no, then he will be in trouble, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Enter the details very soon. Yes, you can leave the session, no problem.